Welcome to the 6th Audiotool tutorial. This time, we're going to explain basic functions of a drum machine to create our own rhythm patterns, in particular using the Roland TR-808. First of all, we can see a series of 16 buttons, which allows to include drum voices by means of what is known as the step programming. These step buttons correspond to 16 bar divisions, which are organized into 4 different color groups. This means that each of these groups represents each bar beat. Therefore, by selecting the 1, 5, 9, 13 button numbers, we can hear the 1st, 5th, 9th, and 13th bar beats respectively. By default, we can see a 16 pattern length to create our first rhythm pattern, that is to say, 1 bar in length. If we want to create 2 bar pattern, we should increase the pattern length to 32 steps. After this, we select the 32 step number in order to include more instrument sounds in the second bar. Let's take a quick listen to it. Now let's say we want to add 1 more bar in our pattern. In this case, we should increase its length to 48 steps. And after this, select the 48 step number to include more instrument sounds in the 3rd bar. Let's take a quick listen to it. If we want to continue adding a 4th bar, we should keep on increasing the pattern length to 64 steps and selecting the 64 step number. And now, we can hear a pattern 4 bars long. We have the possibility of selecting the number of steps for each beat by using different prescales. In order to explain this and to be clear, it is necessary to change the tempo and select the hi-hat as a drum voice. Selecting the 3rd prescale position, we can hear 4 hi-hats for each beat, which corresponds to 4 4-time signature. Selecting the 4th prescale position, we can hear 8 hi-hats for each beat, which corresponds to 2 4-time signature. Selecting the 2nd prescale position, we can hear 3 hi-hats for each beat, which corresponds to 3 4-time signature. And selecting the 1st prescale position, we can hear 6 hi-hats for each beat, which corresponds to 6 8-time signature. And to conclude, it is possible to store 7 different patterns organized into 4 banks, which could be selected on the sequencer.